What's up guys, welcome to Apex. Thanks for tuning in. We have received an all new update for Samsung's One-Hand Operation Plus application, which brings in some improvements for the widget pop-up feature which Samsung added just a few days ago. Now if you have missed that video, I have made a separate video on this widget pop-up feature. Go ahead and check the link in the description for that video. Now this One-Hand Operation Plus is a module on Goodlock Labs, and this is also available on Play Store. And this update has arrived on both Galaxy Store as well as Play Store. You can update it on either of the platforms. Now as you can see, I have received this update on July 4th and the version number is 5.4.31.0, and in the changelog it says improve widget pop-up feature, and then it says bug fixes and stability improvements. Now when it says improve widget pop-up feature, it doesn't specifically mention what exactly has changed or what has improved. And once you update the application, you may or may not be able to figure out what has really changed. So we are going to check out the older version of the widget pop-up feature as well as the newer version of the widget pop-up feature side by side and see if there is any difference. So let's go ahead. Now I have set this widget pop-up to open up when I swipe it from the left side of the screen. Let me open the widget pop-up on both these phones. As you can see, this is how the widget pop-up looks. Now here you can see there is a difference in the background transparency. On the left hand side, you are seeing the older version of One-Hand Operation Plus, and on the right hand side on the Galaxy S22 Ultra, I have updated this app and this is the newer version. You can see the transparency level has increased here on the newer version of the application. If you look at the older version, it is in dark gray and it is not that transparent. Whereas on the newer version, it is definitely in gray, but it is more transparent. Apart from this, we can also notice something else here. As you can see at the bottom of this page, we can see the number of pages we have on the newer version. As you can see, I have 3 pages here. There are 3 dots here. Whereas on the previous version, though I have a couple of pages here, it is not showing me those dots here at the bottom. Now this change makes sense because we will know how many pages of widgets we have got on this pop-up widget view. Now there is another minor change here. Let me show you that. I'll just press and hold on this blank space. I will tap on pop-up size. As you can see here on the newer version, it clearly indicates the size of this particular pop-up widget. As you can see, it is 4x5 and it is in a different color here. Whereas on the older version, it does not highlight the current size of the page. That is the third improvement or third change we have got with this all new update. These are the 3 changes which I am able to figure out with this all new update. You guys let me know if you have noticed any other changes. Drop a comment. Now if you find these videos informational, be sure to subscribe to the channel and smash that like button as well. I would really appreciate that. And remember, I have left a link for the first video which I made on this particular widget pop-up view feature. I have demonstrated how exactly you can set this widget pop-up on your Galaxy phones. Go ahead and check that out. That's all I have here in this video. My name is Salian signing off. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.